You wouldn't believe the amount of near misses and breakages we've had on DVD. That's why I always pack these repair and maintenance essentials, and now I never head bush without them. This is like a first aid kit for your four-wheel drive. First up, we've got some Xtreme Performance Grease. Now this stuff is perfect for CV joints, for wheel bearings, pretty much anything four-wheel drive related. Second, of course, is a legendary Start Ya Bastard. Now, I don't need to use it on my vehicles too much, but if I do come across somebody who's maybe down on compression, well, this stuff will get them going again and back on the tracks. Now, even though that the 79 series and the 80 doesn't have a Carby, this throttle body and Carby cleaner is really handy stuff to keep in your four-wheel drive. It's perfect to clean all that gunk and soot out of your air intake. It'll clean up injectors and even your throttle body. Here we've got some performance head gasket repair. Super handy to keep in your four-wheel drive. If you blow a head gasket, which I have done on a DVD shoot, you can simply put it into your radiator and it'll block up any little holes in the head or even in the block of the engine. Now, getting a crack or a hole in your radiator can literally happen to anybody off-road. That's why I carry some radiator and engine block repair. Super handy stuff to keep in your four-wheel drive. So there you go, there's a bunch of products I've got from Nulon that always stay in the back of my four-wheel drive. You see, I hit the tracks for 2, 3, even 4 weeks at a time, and I always carry a first aid kit for me. I think of this as a first aid kit for my four-wheel drive.